Massage with stretching combines therapeutic touch and controlled movement to enhance physical recovery. This approach improves circulation while gently lengthening muscles and connective tissues for flexibility. Rhythmic massage relaxes tight areas, preparing the body for safe and effective stretches. Stretching afterward deepens muscle release and restores natural joint range of motion. When combined, both techniques reduce stiffness, improve posture, and support better movement patterns. Massage with stretching is commonly used in sports therapy and holistic wellness practices. It helps prevent injuries by increasing elasticity and body awareness during physical activity. Breathing coordination during sessions enhances relaxation and maximizes the benefits of each stretch. Regular sessions support stress reduction, improve sleep, and overall muscular balance. This method is suitable for all ages when applied gently and mindfully. It encourages body connection, helping individuals feel more mobile and energized daily. Massage with stretching promotes long-term flexibility and sustainable physical well-being. It is an effective addition to recovery routines and mindful movement programs.